5 meme coins to buy in May that could potentially 50x and maybe even 100x. Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. And welcome back to the 99B YouTube channel. I'm your host, Umar Khan. We're covering meme coins, altcoins, Bitcoin news, and everything in between. If you want the latest and greatest crypto news, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. Now, without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this top 5 list as we are in the month of May. And we're kind of in a mixed market. Now, we're not too bullish, we're not too bearish. Whereas it's like this steady progression line. We can see across the board, Bitcoin up 5% on the week. Ethereum is basically just staying neutral, not even up 1%. You know, we can see same thing with BNB, up 5% on the week. Solana is pumped about 10%, but did have a nasty red week last week and the week prior. So we're starting to see a thing in the mix-ups. Now, when we go to meme coins, guys, we're seeing a similar narrative. Dogecoin up 12%, Shiba Inu up barely 1%, Pepe up 10%, Dogwifhat up 10%. The point I'm trying to make is, yeah, we're seeing 10% gains, but for the most part, they're just recovering from their loss. But here's the great thing. As investors, this is a great opportunity to buy in at the low and obviously make a solid bag. Let's go ahead and talk about the first coin on this list, which is Floki Inu. In my personal opinion, the most underrated dog themed token on the top 10 list. It's currently top 55 cryptocurrency with a $1.7 billion market cap, which is absolutely insane. And its absolute peak, guys, the market cap was at $2.8 billion, which is absolutely nothing for this project. Because again, remember, this is not just a regular meme coin, it's a full-fledged utility token. The people's cryptocurrency has been featured on a ton of different places. They have a whole ecosystem with the Valhalla, very, very popular play to earn NFT game that's now, I guess, coming to mobile very soon. Their tokenomics, staking, Floki-fi, NFTs, the prepaid cards, Floki Place, University of Floki, so education as well. Floki is doing it all. I think in the next bull run, this could be a top token. Yes, it is in the top 10, and again, there's going to be a fight, but in terms of market cap, guys, I think we could easily see this in a $5-figure billion-dollar market cap. We can also see Floki has had a massive sponsorship. We can see Floki named title sponsor of Ireland's men's series against Pakistan. Dublin Floki, the currency ecosystem, has been named a title sponsor of Floki Ireland versus Pakistan T20I series, a 3-match series starting on Friday. Obviously, this is absolutely massive as Team Ireland and Team Pakistan have lots of fans, and now Floki is going to be covered across the board. This is pretty solid partnership for Floki. Again, in terms of price, guys, I personally think this could be a great opportunity to buy. We can see in the month we're down roughly 8%, and when we go to the all-time, guys, we can see it almost beat its previous all-time highs, but now we've lost about 50% of that momentum, meaning if we do see a pump just as previous all-time high, we could get a 45% gain. If it goes even higher than its previous all-time high, we could be sitting on a solid bag. Again, not financial advice, but you might want to load up the bag. Now, the next coin on this list is a coin that hasn't even launched yet. It's a pre-sale gem called Doge, the world's first chain traveling Doge. This is a pre-sale gem that has raised over $13 million. And again, less than 30 days has the pre-sale been live, so people are starting to ape in. Whales are starting to ape in. What is this token? Doge goes multi-chain. You can buy and claim Dogeverse on the following chains: Ethereum, Binance, Polygon, AVAX, Coinbase or Base, and Solana. We can see it was featured on a ton of different articles. Multi-bridge utility utilizing superior bridge technology. Dogeverse will be seamlessly multi-chain in just a few clicks. They have a solid roadmap in place with great tokenomics, and not just that, they also have staking, currently paying a 69 AP, which is absolutely solid. Now, if you want to buy a bag of Dogeverse, I'll link in the description below, as this project has crazy upside potential, and I'm personally very bullish on this one. And again, with $13 million raised in a span of a month, which is absolutely insane, unheard of. Even their social media, almost 15,000 followers. They are growing rapidly fast. You're not going to want to miss out on this one. Now we're talking about dog tokens. Let's go to the next one on the list, which is Dogwifhat. Now this one is pumped 10% on the day, so I think something might be here. Something might be cooking in the back end. On the week, we are up 11%, kind of recovering from the loss we had a couple days ago. And on the month, we're down a whopping 10%. We had some lower lows earlier, but again, we're pretty bullish on Dogwifhat long term. With a $3 billion market cap, a top 36 cryptocurrency, Dogwifhat is going to be a killer in the space. They absolutely have a massive community over on X with 84,000 followers, very active, the continued support. You're not going to want to miss out on Dogwifhat. We can easily see Dogwifhat hit $5 in the close near future. Now, the next one on the list is not a dog themed token, but it's actually a frog themed token, and that's Book of Meme, currently trading at almost $800 million market cap. Now, this one was insane because in its first 48 hours, it broke the $1 billion market cap, which is absolutely insane, and also got listed on Binance, which is crazy. So imagine there could be some support in the back end for Book of Meme. Either the team is very plugged in, or needless to say, we're very bullish on Book of Meme long term. It could be a top 3 project in the future. Currently ranked 99 on CoinMarketCap. with $230 million in 48 hour volume is absolutely insane. Also a Solana based cryptocurrency, and again, it's listed on Binance, so you could pretty much buy it from anywhere. They have a very interesting website that was replicated from one of the first websites ever created, which is interesting to say the least. The point is they're really taking over in terms of community, and they're making the right steps. So that's, again, all indications for something bullish for a project we would want to invest in long term. Now, last coin on this list, we're going back to the dog themed tokens, also on Solana. This one is Bonk. Currently has $1.58 billion market cap. Now, the thing about Bonk, the reason why Bonk stands out the most is they're absolutely crushing it on their socials, specifically over on X with 284,000 followers. With a project this new, they know exactly what they're doing. They're doing massive giveaways for the community. They're connecting with the community, engaging with the community, everything you want to see in a meme coin. Now, in terms of price, we could see, again, $1.6 billion market cap. When we go on the all, we could see it pumped massively. Then it had a major correction, and now it's going back in the upward direction. We can anticipate in the next few weeks it's going to beat its previous all-time highs, and this one has some crazy upside potential, so you definitely want to add it to your list. That pretty much wraps up my top 5 coins to buy in May list. I want to know what you think in the comment section below. Is your list different? What coins do you think I missed? Comment down below. Like always, it's not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. And that wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your boy Umar. Peace.